Department of Dance and Music, Manipur University today organized World Dance Day at the Department Hall today. Retired Principal Guru Ranjit Adhikari of Government Dance College, Retired Principal of Government Music College, Laimium Devenjit Sharma and Retired Senior Artist Production Unit Guru and Amushana Devi were the main attendees of the function. Nagaland's Deputy Chief Minister Yantungo Patan has defended the government's decision to compile a register of indigenous Naga inhabitants, arguing that it will help safeguard the state from outsiders. With the recent death of a woman infected with the deadly vector-borne disease Japanese encephalitis, the death toll has increased to 126. 125 people were reported dead till Saturday in Assam due to Japanese encephalitis, with 6 deaths reported on Friday from different districts of Assam. Rajya Sabha proceedings today adjourned for 15 minutes after smoke started to emit from a voting-cum-mic console on a seat in the Treasury benches. After the House mourned the death of former Union Minister and ex-Rajya Sabha member S. Jayapal Reddy and congratulated Indian sportsperson for winning medals in the boxing event in Indonesia, BJP's KJ Alphonse complained of smoke emitting from the voting-cum-mic console in his 4th row seat.